Welcome, in front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So let's start off by opening up the standalone contacts app, which for me is right over here. Once you open it up, as you can see I have no contacts right here, so it gives me an option to import it from here. But I believe you can also do it by going into the 3 bars, settings, and from here we have import option as well. Now once you tap on it from either importing from the main screen or through settings like I did, you should see this page right here. So import contacts from, and we want to import our contacts from SIM card, so let's select that. Then select next and import them too. Here we have actually more options than I would have expected. So we have phone, internal, shared storage, or SD card. Now I believe the two below ones will create a VCF file, which is basically a file containing all your contacts in it. It won't necessarily add those contacts to your contact list, only when you open it up and choose to basically import them. But the phone obviously will. And also there should be normally another option, which your email address, which basically imports the contacts to your Google account. But I'm not logged in, so that option isn't visible here. So select, for instance, the phone contacts, and then you should see all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So from here, select all the contacts that you want to import by simply tapping on them like so, and then tap on OK. And there we go, that's all it takes. As you can see, now they're visible right here. So that is how you would import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.